welcome back to my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can get future recipes. Today we're making the Bomb Pop tea. It's 4th of July weekend, so cheers to the red, white, and blue. Hey everyone, first we're going to pop in our pomegranate lift-off tablet. It's an effervescent tablet, jam-packed full of B vitamins, helps your mental clarity and focus and mental energy. Then we have our herbal tea concentrate, raspberry flavor. I just used a 1/4 teaspoon, but you could use a 1/2 teaspoon. And then we have our cranberry flavored herbal aloe concentrate, great for digestive health. And I'm going to pour some warm water into the bottom of this jar so that everything dissolves much more quickly and easily. I'm also going to add 3 flavor boosters. These are the beverage mix that are new to the Herbalife product line. This one is cherry, so I'm making the red layer at the bottom. I filled my glass with ice, and now I'm sprinkling in pina colada for the middle flavor. I'm gonna pour some water and fill it almost to the tippy top. We've got one more flavor and color to go for the red, white, and blue. I'm just gonna add a few more ice cubes here. Guys, crushed cubes work a lot better with these multi-layered, multi-flavored drinks, and unfortunately I don't have a way to get crushed ice. All I have is cubes, so it may not turn out as perfectly as I want, but that's okay. So we've got the blue blast, and then I'm just pouring a little bit more water in for the top, and there we have it. Our red, white, and blue. And once you start moving this puppy around, it'll all start to blend, but let me tell you what, it's delicious. Absolutely delicious. And it's pretty to look at. Tell me what you think in the comments. So if you guys like these recipes and you love the flavors, you're gonna love the results that you can get drinking these teas. So I got started on my nutrition journey 9 years ago, 4th of July weekend. I was looking to lose weight, and you know, I was one of those try to eat right and exercise girls, never really did any specific programs, but never really had any much success. So I got started on this plan skeptically, but within 6 months I was down 60 pounds. I was feeling insanely good, lots of energy, and ever since then I've been paying it forward and helping others feel the same. So if you're interested in learning more about how you can use these tea recipes to help boost your metabolism, burn body fat, get in the best shape of your life, feel great, then send me a message. I have a free wellness survey that you can take. It'll customize a nutrition plan for you, and we can work one-on-one together. I hope you have a fabulous holiday weekend, and cheers.